tissue in there to fill in that deficit. So one of the problems with this cat is that since there's nothing in his eye, he may have you ever seen him that have a sunken, you know, where it sinks back inside the eye? So that's what you try to avoid. We may not be able to do that with this cat because he doesn't have this. So a lot of times you take the globe out, like if it's not infected or has cancer, you want to try to take the muscles off of the eye and leave as much tissue in that socket as you can, so that so it fills up all the way to the skin, so you just have a flat space up there instead of a sunken skull-like look. I want something to keep any soap or anything out of this eye.
So you took a lot of eyes out in Africa, is what you're saying? Large animals?
Oh yeah,
that was a job.
Because we didn't have any way to restrain these animals there.
You don't have any way to restrain them?
Yeah, so like I tie them up to a tree and we go round and round the tree trying to get them.
Well, once he's been around the tree a couple times, he'll be restrained.
Basically, I'm just going to clean out the socket and close it down. So I'm hoping I'll get some bleeding in there so that it'll.
So you can do your job.
Oh, so you're already sewing it up?
Well, so I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna take out the lids and everything on the outside of the eye. So this is for me to have to hold on to.
Oh, okay.
Basically.
So did you ever consider going to medical school, Doc?
No, I never did.
No?
But the guy that was the head of our class in our freshman year and sophomore, I guess he came to veterinary school because he couldn't get into med school because he got in and he left the school, and it was good for me because then I became the head of the class. So we get out, the body thinks it's a foreign body, and you get a big reaction. It took me forever to get that cat's eye straightened out.
So, is it cellular? Is vitreous body cellular?
No, it's just a jelly. It's just a jelly, but the way the eye develops, that jelly is never exposed to the animal's immune system. So everything else in the body, it knows that that's part of my body, but it didn't know that one.
So that little lump there, that's basically the interior of the socket of that remnants of the eye, or?
Yeah, it's got the lenses in there. You cut it up.
Cut it up.
Yeah, that's what it's had me along problem. I had the vitreous in the back, and I was trying to get all of that out of there.